Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be talking about how you can make user snippets for your code. First of all, before going to user snippets, I would like to show you what a snippet is. For example, I'm creating a new file, just a random file.cpp, and herein I want to write some code. But whenever I'm writing some code, I'm getting some suggestions. These are called snippets. For example, I want to write the main block, and if I just write main and just press the tab button, I get a block of code. This is what a snippet is. Moreover, not only for this main block, I can go for, suppose, while loop. I just have to write while and press tab, or I can just go for loop. I can just press for and tab, and then right here int, then again tab, then again tab, then change count into size, then again tab, then again I can write the mic to write some codes. Not only these loops, even I can get many things as such. So this is what snippet is. Now, as we are aware of what user snippet is, now I'll show you how you can make one for yourself. Let's go to settings and then go to user snippets, and here I'll be specifically making the user snippet for C++. So I'll go to cpp.json, and you'll be getting a default list of comments over here. So I'll show you how you can make the one user snippet for yourself. I'll name it first. What my user snippet should be named like. See here, you can see print to console. So what am I doing? I'm writing my initial commands, the initial command that I always require in order to write my program. So I'll name it initial programs, initial commands. Okay, you can name it anything as per your desire. There is no compulsion in that. Then put a colon. Okay, and then here comes the curly braces. What you have to do, inside the curly braces, you have to write the prefix. Put a double quotes and then go to prefix. Here is the prefix, and in the prefix you have to write what things will trigger your code. Means what you're going to write in order to what you're going to write in the panel that will trigger your code. So I always write #include, and I want to write #include, and it should give me the option to write whole command, or let me just take it as start. Okay, I'll write start, and they will trigger the whole code that is written in here. So after start, what you have to do, you have to put a comma and then press enter. Then here comes the second and most important part of this. This is the body. You have to write body. Inside the body, what you have to do, first of all, take a square bracket. Okay, and inside the square bracket, you have to write the set of codes that you want, and you have to write all the codes that you want inside these double quotes. So what I have to write as commands, that will be #include iostream, and then after the complete line of the code you have to put a comma. I'll put a comma, and then in the next line I have to write using namespace std, again comma, and then I usually write these two things, and then at last I have to write a main block. Before writing the main block, I want to give some space in between. So I'll take double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma. So I'll take 5 lines of space, and then I'll write my main block, int main, and then comma, and then I will take the open curly braces, and after opening curly braces, then again I'll put comma, and in the next line I want one tab space. Yeah, after the, what you can say, after the curly braces, I want one tab space in order to make it aligned very nicely in the program, right? It looks very nice. So I'll just put a tab, and then I'll return 0. Okay, and then again comma. And then I will again go back to the closed curly braces, and then again I'll put comma. Okay, and after this I'll put the closing square bracket, and then again I have to come to the last part, that is description. In description you have to write what you have, why you have made this code. So this block contains some of the initial commands for C++. That's it, and then I'm done with my task. It seems they don't want us to put a tab space, so what we can do, we can, in place of tab space, what you can do, you can put 3 spaces, 1, 2 and 3. And here comes the role of, you might be not aware of what the role of $1, $2 and $3 is. So $1 and $2, whenever you'll be writing your text, then the very first tab would be at the $1. Suppose I want to write something in the int main, okay, then there would be something over here, you want to put something in here, so there would be a dollars, you can put $1 sign over here. And it's obvious, after this you want to do some changes in the main block. So what you can do, you can get inside the block 1, 2, 3 spaces, and then you can again put command 2. Command 2 means it will go to the next line, means when you will be writing the content of $1, and then when you will press tab, it will take you to this line, $2 line. And if you don't understand this, it's totally fine, you can leave it right now, you can write only the set of code that you want. But yeah, if you want to make it more easier for yourself, then you can go for this. Likewise, you can put $3, $4, $5 as well. But the another point is where you want the cursor to end, means after the code is being written, where you want your cursor to be at last. So I want my cursor to be over here. So what I have to do, I'll take a double quote, I'll write $0 and comma. It's done. Believe me, this is going to help you a lot of times. Now let me show you how it is working. This page is empty, random.cpp is totally empty. I have to write start, start. Here you go. This is what we have made. This block contains some of the initial command for C++. This is the user snippet that I have made for myself, for my own use, and it would help me. So it is giving, this is the description what we have written in over. So I have to just press tab, and here you go. Here is the first tab, and it is blinking. It means this is the $1 where I have placed. So I'll write anything, white, and then if I'll press tab, it will take me to the second line where I want to write the code. And then again, if I press tab, it will take me to the last line where I'll be writing my codes from. It's done. Here you go, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.